This is the Frugal Gardener, and I am having flashbacks of last summer. This is the 4th of July weekend in the United States, and what you're looking at are my Blue Lake green beans that are doing quite well. Back here are some onions. These are sweet potatoes. And last year, they were suffering. I'm having flashbacks because I just checked the forecast, and for the next 12 out of the next 14 days, we're going to be 90 or above. That's where I lost approximately 20% of my plants because it was just too freaking hot, and I couldn't keep up. Temperatures have been getting hotter and hotter and hotter, especially over the last 4 summers. And last summer, that insult to injury, we almost got no rain in July and August. So I decided back in January to start preparing for now, because I knew it would happen again, and it is. This is about 30% of my garden, and this is part of what I'm doing to protect it. Over here, that's my summer squash. In front, you can barely see them. There's a couple of radishes in there. I just threw those in. These are my Blue Lake green beans, just like the ones I showed you on the other side. And you heard the expression, cool as a cucumber. This is a cucumber vine. This is another cucumber vine. And all these are protected. If you look down close, you'll see I have more protection. And I have a drip irrigation hose here and on the other side of my garden. I have gone through quite a bit to make sure that my garden is protected this summer, to make sure that it stays hydrated this summer. And if you want to know what I did and why my plants are looking great so far, then check out my H2O Garden Oasis project. It's a 4-part series. I'm halfway through it now. And up to the point this year where I don't care if it goes to 90. It's going to 93 today. 90, 93, 95. Doesn't bother me this year, because I intend on losing zero plants due to the heat. So between the great crate garden that I showed you earlier and the corn that's over there, that corn in that same pot last year was fried. I went away for 2 days and lost it all. That's just one place that I have corn planted this year. But these are 4 squash, and they're not affected by the heat at all. Right now, we're in the mid 80s. But as I said, this is day number 3 of the heat wave, and it's going to be with us for a while. So, just wanted to show this to you guys. And again, it's the H2O Garden Oasis project. I'm the Frugal Gardener. You guys have a happy day. And remember, when you grow your food, you always know where it comes from.